three mistakes in life. Firstly, we do not know where we are. Secondly, we do not know where to go. And thirdly, we do not know how to go about it. Swami Vivekananda was able to fathom the real state of India's miserable existence. He told them not only where you are, but also who you are. Like a good instructor of map reading, he wanted the Indians to understand and internalize their position on the map. Let them know their weaknesses, let them know their infirmities, let them know their inhibitions, and also their strengths. So he made them realize both their strengths and their weaknesses. Secondly, he made them realize what was their goal. He tried to give them the confidence and ability to think big. He gave them the goal of a strong, powerful India, free from all shackles. But his most important contribution was his guidance how to bring about transformation. Like a good instructor, he gave the countrymen very specific guidelines which are particularly relevant to the youth of India like you. His first guidance was for physical quest. By physical quest he meant taking care of your body and mitigating physical sufferings. What Vivekananda wanted from the youth was, and he said, muscles of iron and nerves of steel. His second expectation from the youth was the social quest. He exhorted the youth to serve God in man. He preached that the way to spiritualism was through serving the poor, the destitute, the homeless, ignorant and weak. He asserted that the first God we have to worship are our own countrymen. His third important direction to the youth was for intellectual quest. He insisted that we will not be able to rebuild a strong India without education and empowerment of people through knowledge. He cautioned, and I quote, education is not the amount of information that is put into your brains and runs right there, undigested all your life. We must have life-building, man-making, character-making assimilation of ideas. And I unquote. His next appeal was for spiritual elevation of all human beings. He profusely wrote and preached about dhyan, sadhana and yoga. He told the youth that they should learn many things from the West, but must have faith in their own spiritual heritage. Lastly, he gave us the guidance for nation building. His vision of India was that of a transformed society inspired by dignity, freedom, and individual excellence, deeply rooted in strength, love, and service. He exhorted the youth to focus their individual and collective energies to build a strong and powerful India. He particularly talked about the unity of the society and lamented that one of the causes of India's degradation was its social fragmentation, caste system and self-centric narrow vision. He said, and I quote, the solution to the caste problem in India is not to degrade the higher castes, but to raise the lower up to the level of the higher. Well, friends, we Indians of today are very fortunate. We are living and breathing in a free India. We are on the threshold of a great leap forward. Indian youth of today is globally competitive, full of confidence and bursting with energy to march ahead. I also see strong new surge in our youth to carry the nation forward with a new passion of patriotism.